Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of 9th and pre-9th class, first of all, welcome in Google Classroom. Today I'm going to teach you about active voice and passive voice. As the students of pre-9th, for you this is the first lecture, but for the students of 9th, this is for your revision because you have already done some tenses for active voice and passive voice. Today I am start with present indefinite tense. First of all, I will share with you the rules in passive voice. First of all, object becomes subject and subject becomes object. Number two, when you will change the sentence in passive voice, we use helping verbs is, am, are, and third forms of verb. Number three rule, the preposition by is used before object. And you also understand the rules of changing pronouns. When the sentence start with I, we will change into me, he into him, we into us, she converts into her, you remains you, and they converts into them. When you will start to change the present indefinite tense into passive voice, first of all, you have to identify the subject, verb, and object in the given sentence. For example, John washes the dishes. In this sentence, the verb washes with the addition of es. This word with the addition of es is showing that the sentence is of present indefinite tense. Now identify John is subject, washes, verb, and the dishes is object, which is plural. Now, as I have tell you about the rules, according to the rules, when you are changing it into passive voice, the dishes become subject, the dishes, then we use helping verb. As the dishes are plural, we use are. And third form of verb, washed, the dishes are washed. Now we will use preposition by John. The name will remain same. Okay, the dishes are washed by John. Next example, the professor teaches the students. In this example, the professor is subject who is doing the action, teaches verb, the students is object who are receiving the action. Now, when we change it into passive voice, the students become subject. Now, the students are receiving the action. The students, this is plural, so we use helping verb are. The students are. The third form of teach is taught. The students are taught by the professor. Okay. Affirmative examples. Affirmative means positive sentences. A for activize and P for pacifies. First sentence, you run the race. In this sentence, you, subject, run, verb, the race, object. And when we change it into pacifies, the race is run, ran, run. Third form is run by you. You remains the same you, as I have told you before. Next sentence, Majid makes a beautiful picture. In this sentence, Majid, subject, makes, verb, a beautiful picture is object. And now when we will change it into passive voice, a beautiful picture, that is object, now becomes subject. A beautiful picture, picture is singular, so we use is. A beautiful picture is made, make ki third form, made by Majid. Now look at the examples of negative sentences. In negative sentences, do not and does not is replaced by is not, are not, am not according to the object. Look at the examples. They do not help us. Now here us is already converted, so we again change it into we, as we is equal to us and us is equal to we. So we are not. We is plural, so we have used are, helping verb are. We are not helped by them. Next sentence, the police do not disperse the crowd. The police do not disperse the crowd. In this sentence, the police subject, do not disperse verb with negative sentence, the crowd object. Now you will change it into passive voice. The crowd is not. The crowd, as it is a collective noun, so singular we will use is. The crowd is not dispersed by the police. Okay, I think I'm hopeful that you are understanding it very well. Interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, as the sentence which will you find for changing do and does, which are comes in the beginning of the sentence. In this, do and does are replaced by is, am, or are according to the subject. Look at the examples. Active sentence, do they fly kites? Now kites are plural and kites will become your subject, so we will use are kites flown by them? Next sentence, does he writes a letter? In this sentence, a letter is singular, so we replace does with is. Is a letter written by him? Next sentence, does the lion carry away the cow? In this sentence, cow is singular, so is the cow carried away by the lion? I am hopeful that you are understanding it very well. Now I am going to give you the assignment. He opens the door. We set the table. She pays a lot of money. I draw a picture. They wear blue shoes. And now negative sentence. They don't help you. He doesn't open the book. You do not write the letter. Does your mom pick you up? Does the police officer catch the thief? For your practice, solve this assignment on separate sheets and submit in school on time. Thank you.